Okay, today we're going to eat lunch at the Mission in Scottsdale. So we're getting some Tableside homemade guacamole.
I'll try. That was good. So we are going to a restaurant that serves Thai, a modern Thai twist, and the name I don't know how to pronounce is something like, well, it's spelled SOI4, Bangkok Eatery. SOI4? SOI4? SOI4 Bangkok.
I just know that one night in Bangkok makes a hard man humble.
What do you think?
Now we are going to try a chocolate bomb, which again was featured on Food Channel. So we'll see. Here is the chocolate bomb.
That is literally spectacular. We are at La Hacienda in Scottsdale, Arizona.
This is ridiculous. It's filet mignon on top of something with peppers and onions, melt in your mouth. Superb flavors, just bursts. Wow.
Fantastic.
Okay, so this meal was so good. Like, it was in a different chart of food.
Get on.